So good morning, ninth class.
Good morning, sir.
So today we'll say the words, the lesson. What is the name of that lesson of English?
Journey by night.
The journey by
Night.
Nine?
Night.
I'm talking to, I can't hear you. Yes?
Journey by the night.
By the night. You are not saying the. Journey by the night. Why we are saying the? Can you tell me why journey by the night? Can anybody tell me why we are saying the? Huh? The is not there. The it is there. If we are saying the, no, the is to particularize. It must be, it might be journey by night. Okay. So the words, which come, especially words, don't say is MR.
Journey. Night. Expandations.
Expandation, what is there?
Yes, sir. Simple. Stubble. Stubble.
Spelling?
S-T-U-B-L-E.
Stubble. Yes, okay, very good.
Speciality. Insurmountable. Hospital.
Insurmountable, yesterday word we did.
Adventure.
What is the meaning of insurmountable? Yesterday, this word was discussed so many times. Or I told you, today we'll have a discussion of all those words. The paper which you are going to appear, that thing is there. Or you will realize it, what Ishwar sir is teaching, it comes under that. Yes?
Tiger.
What is the meaning of insurmountable? Sir also told the meaning, but that word still in confusion with me. I will also confirm it. Yes? Because nobody knows the meaning of sir. I told I will take the test of English. Shall I take tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow word meaning of all the words of that lesson. Okay? Today I am giving you yes.
Seemingly.
Seemingly. Yes.
So influenza.
Influenza.
Similarly.
Can you tell me what is influenza? Who knows that? Yesterday also we discussed. Not able to bear this. If I told you one particular word, you should be aware of the word which I said. That should be the quality of a student. Inquisitive. When word is there, influenza. I told you what is influenza. Okay. As a disease, that's what you said yesterday. Anything extra? That you said yesterday also, I know that. What is extra? Yes. Only Pratibha is there. Nobody else is there to answer. Yes, Pratibha.
Influenza is a virus disease caused by influenza is a virus disease caused by influenza virus.
Influenza virus. It is a viral disease. Do you know what happens in influenza? When somebody is suffering from this disease, what happens exactly? Can anybody tell? Again.
Stomach pain.
You have to tell something particularly. What pain is, what exactly. You must know what is influenza. It's a very common. You are a science student, my dear. And this time I want you to appear in that exam also. Which exam? APA. And I want you to appear in that NEET exam of where my daughter also appeared. Okay, that is quite tough. Okay, but how will you appear? You know that. Helix exam. Okay. Yes. Shoulders. Stomach, it is stomach. My dear, such a simple word has been said so many times. He is saying stomach. What is stomach? It is stomach. Cholera. It was there?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is cholera? Can you tell, except Pratibha? Yes, what is cholera?
Cholera is a disease caused by bacteria.
Is it caused by bacteria?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or anything else? This has been told initially, except Pratibha. Yes, boys section. Tell me, what is the problem? What thing you are missing? What extra she is getting? Yes, Gurpreet? Yes.
Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera bacteria.
It was caused by Vibrio, na? Okay, Vibrio. Pronunciation hardly matters, na? Sometimes. Vibrio cholera. Na? What is the name of that full? What is the name of the bacteria?
Vibrio cholera bacteria.
Okay. That is why it is the disease also is named as cholera. Okay. Anybody else? Acha, next word. Yes.
Jungle.
I know that is MR. I was sure you will go jungle. Is MR. Yes.
Sir, muddy land.
Muddy land.
So bacteria.
What is a muddy land?
Sir, where that water is.
What do you know muddy? What is mud?
Sir,
I told that day also. Mud is मड होता है मिट्टी और मिट्टी से भरा मडी ओके फाइटन
impermanent.
इन इम
Impermanent.
आई एम It is the opposite of permanent, impermanent. Okay, some words are there possible, impossible. Few words are there, you will come to know when you appear in exam. Possible, impossible. Permanent, impermanent. Can you tell me the word which suffix, prefix? Can you tell me some words with im? The word with no. I'm not asking where it makes the word opposite. Can you? Impossible. I just told. Partial and impartial. Got it? Pure. Very good. Pure, impure. Yes. Anyone else? Yes. Anyone else? The words and it opposite with prefix im. Im. No. Yes.
Possible, impossible.
That has been said, beta. Possible that I want you to listen also with the word.
Sir, partial, impartial.
What? Miscible? Immiscible. Miscible means which can mix. Okay. Immiscible which can't. Yes.
Footprints.
No, I am not asking. I was asking I am. You're gone. I'm saying, chalo, continue. Yes.
Ensure and sure.
But I am saying for prefix im. When prefix is im. So many words. This is how inquisitive. If it is there, that should come in your mind. Your shirt still not been stitched. Yesterday I told you to stitch it. Stitch in time. Stitch in time saves 9. समय पर जो काम किया गया, ओके, हाँ, यानी उसका फायदा होता है. अभी तेरे को yesterday only I told you, because he is not in habit of doing the right thing at the right time. Idiot. Yes. Parliament, imparliament. I think this is not good.
Sir, visible, invisible.
Visible. No. Invisible. No problem. Just continue the words. Flattened. Okay. Footprints. Mud. Already been said. Scar. Medicines. Snorted. Do you know what he meant? Snorted. Said it. Said told. Yes.
Sir, I am done.
Yes.
Soap.
Soap. Sobbed. Okay. Yes.
Critically.
Critical. These are the words I told you. Tomorrow I will take the test of full. Okay. Critically. Mountain. Crisscross. Obstacle. Plotted. It is plotted or plotted? Plotted. D. It is D, I think. You know, plotted. And you must know what is the meaning of that. Okay, yes. Beta, while appearing in any exam, you must know. Okay. Beta, you will come to know why I am insisting more. This is my subject again, English. I am in science. Why I am insisting you to go for English extra? Because presently there is no need of reading extra newspaper. That is a big thing actually. But the simple thing you are not able to do. How can you improve your vocab, your pronunciation, these all things? Use of preposition, gerunds at the proper place. How will you do that? That will be done only when you are reading something. This thing comes in. At your age, same thing was there with me. Okay, I quote example of my friends like Balak is there, Jaise Rocky is there, who are better than me. My student like Vijay Budwar is there. Okay, Vishal Thakur. That time he used to think bit differently. Still I am talking to you. Okay? Bit differently. How could have been this possible? When I am saying something, so that means your mind should be beta khush ho, God bless you. Acha padho. Okay, that should be there in your mind. Why it was not in my mind when I was at your class, even in my graduation also, after that also it was not in my mind. Im is there. Which other words can be there with im? It should be there. The word, yesterday we read the word insurmountable. Sir, nobody learned that meaning of that word. Yesterday I said we'll have a test of that, all the words. While reading, I am going to school, what things, which things, I will ask Ishwar sir afterwards. What things you can conclude from this line, I am going to school? What things are you getting from it? Raise your hand. What do you want, how you want to start? Yes.
Going adjective.
Going is adjective. Go is definitely a verb. Doing some work. मतलब that means you can, sir, these are क्या बोलते हैं इनको, verb, adjective, what are they called?
I am going to school. I am helping. I am going mean verb.
Going is a
Main
verb.
verb.
Am is a helping verb. Two things are there. Now you'll come to know. This is how when sentence is there, you think this particular thing is not giving you the exact thing of this line only. This will clarify your every doubt about other things also. Verb and verb. These are, what are these called? Verb, noun. What are these called? Verb, noun, adjective. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? Parts of speech. So the parts of speech is there in the sentence. Got it? Or anything else?
So school is now.
School is a noun. We come to know about school. Yes. How is a I is a pronoun in it. Yes. From the boy section. Yes. From the boy section. Am, that has already been said. I am going. What we are using? ing. What specialty is there in this? I am going. Can you tell me?
Present continuous tense.
It is okay. This is the tense. The tense has been said. Present continuous. I am going to school.
बेटा present tense है. ठीक है. I am going to school की है.
I am going to school. What is that? Sir is asking.
उसके अलावा क्या है?
I'm going.
I am sorry saying I am going to school. What is that? Can anybody tell?
बेटा देखो. I am going to school. What is this? I am going to school is a group of words which makes complete sense. It's called sentence.
It is called sentence. I am going. It is not a full sentence. है ना sir?
नहीं, it is a simple sentence.
Simple sentence.
एक clause में only one clause there is only one clause. We call it what is sentence? Tense और sentence में फर्क है बेटा. Tense, the word tense which has been taken from the Latin word tempus, which means time.
Which means time.
Latin word tempus, T-E-M-P-U-S. Tempus, which means time. So we can divide the time into three parts: present, past, and futures. ठीक है? In the same way, sentence we have 5 kind of sentence. ठीक है? Assertive, interrogative, imperative,
Exclamatory.
and exclamatory. ठीक है? All these different. ठीक है? Sentence और tense में कोई difference नहीं कर पाते कि tense same ही है sentence. Tense अलग चीज़ है. There is a difference between tense and sentence. That's why I am asking you. I am going to school. What? Or anybody can tell me? Can we use is with I?
Is with I. This word is there. Can we, I generally with I we it am. Can we use I? Is with I. Can you make a sentence?
Yes, sir. Is I'm present.
Huh?
Is I am.
Am I present? This is a wrong sentence.
Is बेटा आप कर सकते हैं?
We can use it, but how? That sir will get. At this though I know, sir. I is the first. I is the.
I is the pronoun.
हाँ, I is
the pronoun.
I is pronoun.
Abhi, actually, we are.
I is pronoun. ठीक है? We can use in this way. I के साथ हम sometimes we need to use is. We can use. ठीक है? It is not common thing. It is. मैंने I think पहले भी I have taught you these things earlier. Okay? So we can use I. In some. ठीक है?
Are you able
Use I.
to? What did sir said now? What sir said?
I with the I we can use that, but some things are there.
Yes. What sir said?
That sir said with I we can.
No. Yes.
So said I we can ing is a.
Said I and in.
The most important thing what we are having a discussion presently is sir is there with you, which is the most important sense organ which has to be used properly. Here. That means you are not using. If some problem is, you can come closer. Okay. You should try to whatever the things has been said, you just grab those all things. Okay, you digest it. Okay, beta. Thank you, sir.